Good morning, class 8. So today we start the chapter number 4, playing with numbers. So in this chapter, we studied about different types of numbers, different form of numbers. Many things are there. Is it clear to all? Now, first we start the exercise. Direct start the exercise 4.1. So question is what? Write the following numbers in general form. I think you all having the book. So first question is write the numbers in general form. So question number 1, first part 75. 75 is there first part. So we have to represent in the general form. How we can represent? Break it in the form of 10. What we can write? 7 into 10, 70. How much left? 5. Plus 5 we can write. Is it clear? One more part I will do. The second part is your homework. Third one. That 143. What we can write this one? 143. Think about it. What we can write 143? Do you get the answer? Like 1 into 100, 100 over now 40. So 4 into 10. How much left? 3. So this is your answer. Now, the fourth part is your homework question number second. Second opposite of the first question. The form is given 10 into 5 plus 1. 10 into 5 plus 1. 10 5 is a 50. 50 plus 1, answer is 51. And second part homework, third part. Third part I will do here. That 100 into 9 plus 10 into 7 plus 0 into 7. Look at that. 100 plus 9, 10 into 7 and 0 into 7. 100 plus 9 is what? 900 plus 10 into 7 is 70. 0 into 7 is 0. So 900 plus that's 70. So what is the answer? That's 9. 10 into 0. Okay, sorry. I write some mistake I done in the question. 10 into 0 is there. Plus 7. 10 into 0. 10 into 0 and plus 7. Now 10 into 0 is what? 0. If means second place is not there. Plus 7. So 900 plus 7 is what? 907. Now clear. That I written second one wrong. Now D part your homework. Now question number 3 we have to do. Find the unknown values. Unknown values are there, we have to find in the question number 3. Now this we have to solve. Okay. 9a plus b7 divided by 432. We have to find the value of a, b, c. Now what do you think? What I written here that I will get 2 and 1 will be carry here. If I put 1, 7 plus 1, 8, no. 2, 7 plus 2, no. 3, 7 plus 3, 10. 0 will become no. 4, no. 5, yes. 7 plus 5 is what? 12. So what is the value of a? What do you think? 5. If I put 5 here, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 will be carried. That 9 plus 1, 10. Now 3 is there. So what is the value of B? 3 only. Then only 13 will come. And 1 will be carried here. And the value of C is what? 1. Is it clear to all? If I put A is equals to 5 here, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 will be carried. That 9 plus 1, 10. But I want 3 means 13. So what I write here? 3. 10 plus 3, 13. 1 will be carried. The value of C is what? 1. Is it clear? One more part I will do. Second one. Multiply 1. Chalk I want. Chalk. Now, what value I put here in the place of A that I want to here? If I put 1, 7 ones are 7. 2, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are, no, 7 sixes are, yes, 7 sixes are, 7 sixes are 42, 2 is there, means 4 is covered. So what is the value of A? 6. Now 7 sixes are 42, 4 is carry, clear. Now 7 twos are 14, 14 and 4, 15, 14 and 4, it will be 18. So the value of B is what? 18. Check it. Value of A is 6 and B is 18 or not. Yes, it is right answer. Now, C part. After that C part I will do. A 2 7 multiply by B 3 A C 6. This is the question. Now we have to find the value of A B C. Now think about this. What value I put in the place of A, B and C? Again same 7 and 6 I want. At what number I multiplied that I will get 6? At 7 8 is 56. So the value of B is 8. If 7 8 is 56, 5 is carry suppose, then 7 8 is 56 and 5 is there. 8 is there. Now 8 2 8 2 is what? 16. 16 plus 5, that 21. 2 is carry. So what will become here in the place of C? It is 1 only. And again, A multiply to that number that I want the same. Think about that. 8 multiply to that number that I want the same. If I put A value, suppose 2, at 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 2, 18. 18 is not satisfied because 3 is there. If I put 3, 8 3 is 24, 25, 26. I want 3 here. If I put 4, 8 4s are 32, then 33, 34. Here also 4 coming, here also 4. So the value of A is what? 4. So from this way, this is the different question and hard also. Now, B part and E part is homework. F part I will do. Last part. F is the subtraction. At A 1 9 4B A, that minus we have to do C 1 1. What number I minus from 9 that I will get 1? 9. 9 minus 8. So the value of 8 is 8. Now, What value I put here in the place of B that I get same result? 0. 1 minus 0 is 1 only. So the value of B is 0. Now finally C. A value already I know 8. 8 minus 4. The value of C is 4. So this is your answer. Write it fast. Then question number 4. Choose a number from 1 to 9 such that A, A into C into AC is equal to C into C into C. A into C into AC is equal to C into C into C. That number we will get. Here the letters of A and C stand for the different digits. What digits we can predict? Now look at that. Now this one we have to think about it. Very different question and very difficult also. So the value of A we have to think if I take 1, if I take both are 1, that 1 into 1, then the result will be 1 1 1, but different are there. If I take 2, then 3. If I will take A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4 not 5 not 6 not and 7. If I will take, then look at that. If I take A into 3, then that C is 7. A value is 3 and C value is 7 into 7 into 7. Now look at the answer. He said different digits are there. That's why I don't take the same digits. If you say I take 1 year, both are same but different digits you say. So I have to take the different one. If I take this one, 3 sevens are the 21 and 3 sevens are 21. 21 into 21 is 441. Now look at that. 7 sevens are 49. And 49 into 7. What is the answer? 49 into that. Wait, make it answer is what? 343 is coming, not satisfying the equation. Now we have to think about the different values of the given equation. One more thing is there. Wait. Here multiply is not there in the between A and C. 37 only, not 3 into 7. 37. Okay, now check it. 37. 7 3 is 21. 21 into that 37. Camera is not clear. Now clear? No. Here also multiply is not there. In 777 is there only. And if you look at that 21 into 37, answer is 777 only. So very different question is there. You have to think about many values. A values are many. If I take 3 and 7, then only the answer will come. Other value we can't satisfy the given equation. So this one more thing is there. Multiply is not there. First step is here multiply, but multiply is not there. Only the numbers are there. Is it clear? Don't get confused between the numbers and multiply. Now 4 questions completed. After that 3 questions left, 5, 6 and 7. This will do then the next class. And After that one exercise is there, then chapter is completed. So thank you class. Camera is not clear, right? Okay. Now you see the answer. Okay.